Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 5, simplify, from exercise 13.2, chapter exponents and powers. You have to simplify and find the value. It is not written that you have to give the answer in the exponential form, so you have to find the value. Now check all the numbers are not their prime factors form, so you have to first the work is you have to do the numbers in their prime factors form. So 25 means 5 to the power 2. Already 5 to the power 2 is there, so you will write 5 to the power 2 for 25 and 5 to the power 2 this one, and then into t to the power 8. 10 means 2 into 5 whole to the power 3 into t to the power 4. Now the number is 5 to the power 2 plus 2, because you know that bases are same powers, you should be added. 2 plus 2 into t to the power 8. In the numerator the work is finished, but in the denominator you have to do something. 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. Because the bases are not same, so you are separating them. Into t to the power 8. Now what happened? Here it is 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power, it is not 8, it was 4. It was 4, so it is 4. 4. Now subtraction. 2 to the power 3 in the denominator is unknown, so leave it as it is. Now 5 to the power 4, division condition, 5 to the power 4 are divided by 5 to the power 3, so you have to subtract it. 5 to the power 4 minus 3 into t to the power 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 by 2 cube. That means 2 cube, you have to give the answer in the value form, not in exponential form. So 5 t to the power 4 by 8. The sum is finished here, 5 t to the power 4 by 8. You can't do anything extra here. Now this is the answer of this sum. Come to the next sum. Now question number 3 from 5. 3 from 5. 3 to the power 5. See the question properly. 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. Now check first that all the numbers are in their prime factors form. No, 10 we can break it into 2 into 5. So 10 to the power 5, 2 into 5 to the power 5. And 25, 5 square. 5 to the power 7, keep it as it is, and into 6 to the power 5. 6 means 3 into 2 whole to the power 5. Now 3 to the power 5, 2 to the power into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5, as the whole both the numbers are to the power 5, make it separate. Similarly 5 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Now you can see that the numbers are in their all in their prime factors form. Now in the numerator and denominator, check any same bases are there. 3 to the power 5 alone, so 3 to the power 5 here alone. 2 to the power 5 also alone, 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 plus 2, because both are 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5 plus 2. Now 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 7. It was 5 to the power 7. I have arranged in this way so that you can check that 3 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5, 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 5 plus 2 and divided by 5 to the power 7. Now what I can do? 3 to the power 5 minus 5, because they are in division condition, into 2 to the power 5 by 2 to the power minus divided by 2 to the power 5, so 2 to the power 5 minus 5 into 5 to the power 5 plus 2, 7 divided by 5 to the power 7, so minus 7. What can I see? 3 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. So when we are all the numbers are in their form of 0, so you will get 3 to the power 0 equal to 1, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into 5 to the power 0 also equal to 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, answer is 1. Understood? Come to the next sum, and this sum is I will give you from your example. Now one question from your NCERT book example. Page number 259, three sums are there. From there, one sum we are doing here. 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 divided by 9 into 4 to the power 2. Again, check which numbers are in their prime factors form and which numbers are not. So 9, now the numerator one all are okay. So you will write in this way: 2 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 divided by 9 means 3 to the power 2 and 4 means 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 2. This 2 power 2 was there, so it is whole to the power 2. Now 2 to the power 1 plus 5, 2 to the power 1 plus 5 into 3 to the power 4, and in the denominator 3 square into 2 to the power 4. Now 2 to the power 1 plus 5 become 2 to the power 6, 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. Now the sum is in this condensed condition. Now 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the, divided by 2 to the power 4 means 2 to the power 6 minus 4 into 3 to the power 4 minus 2. So 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Now 2 to the power 4 means 4, 2 to the power 2 means 4 into 3 to the power 2 means 9. So 4 9s are 36. The answer is 36. You have to simplify. So you have to give the result in the value form, not in the exponential form. I hope whatever you have explained today, it is very easy for you. Practice it. Thank you, students.